Oh, that's a solid one. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. He's just barely hooked on that lip.
That was on the chatter?
Yeah, I've been throwing that wacky. Oh, he's actually hooked pretty good. That's crazy. Whoa.
Yeah, that's nice.
Took out a leaf. There we go. Did caught him on the chatterbait. Yeah.
One of the better ones as far as the casting.
One just came up and hit my trailer. Got him. Got him. Look at that. That's a good one too.
Experience there, because man, I can never pause. I'm like, oh shit.
There it is.
Good job.
So in this video, I'm going to go over this Z-Man chatterbait, and what I have here is the 1/4 ounce, but it comes in 1/4, 3/8, 1/2 ounce, and 5/8 ounce. So there's the different sizings you can get on this. This is one of the best lures that I can find for like those stubborn bass on rivers and lakes along up under cover. And the trailer I run on mine is usually like a fluke that I put on the back of it, or you could put a little small swim bait. I'll kind of rotate back and forth. The skirt holds up. I use this for a good 8-9 hours a day out fishing, and the thing holds up well. As long as you don't snag it and lose it, this could last you months on one bait. I've caught several fish on just one, but I actually have 3 or 4 of these things. So yeah, everybody, I think this is one of the best chatterbaits out there, and it's the original, and it does the job that it says it's going to do, and I've caught a lot of fish on this thing. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Z-Man, you know, original chatterbait. See you on the next video.